the time, till I'm in my prime. Couple new blessings every time we pray.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you can tell by the title of this video, this will be a fall makeup tutorial. Yes, you guys, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for the past, I don't know, I really feel like ever since summer came, I was ready to get to fall. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited to finally be filming the first fall makeup tutorial of the year. So I decided to go very fall themed, okay? I decided to go with a very mustardy brown shade for the lids to match my sweater, you guys. And I decided to go with this lip color, very vampy. It's my first time ever wearing a color like this, so I hope you guys like it. I think it's cute. It's just gonna have to grow on me, this lip color. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Hey guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started. As you guys can see, the top that I'm wearing is what I'm kind of inspired by, so I'm gonna be going for, you know, mustard vibes. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take my Morphe M518 brush, and I'm gonna go into this mustardy shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna place that in the transition area. So now to highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna take another Morphe brush, and this one is the M209 brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Glow Getter in the Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palette, and I'm just gonna use that to highlight my brow bone. So before I move on to the next eyeshadows that I'm going to apply, I'm going to take that same fluffy brush that I used to apply that mustard shade, and I'm just going to make sure that I blend those two shadows together, the brow bone highlight and the transition color. So now with my Sigma taper blending brush, this is the E40 brush. I'm just going to take, I'm going to take this brown shade. It's like a neutral brown shade in the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to place that in my crease. And now I'm going to go back into that mustard shade and just bring, you know, that color back out, because sometimes when you go into darker shades, it can kind of, you know, overshadow it. No pun intended. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a cut crease or if I wanted to just do a matte smoky eye, but I think for my first fall look, I'm gonna go all out, vampy lip, all of that. I'm gonna do a cut crease, and to do my cut crease, I'm gonna take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this one is in the shade Fair 08. I'm just going to cut my crease using this, and then we're going to figure out what eyeshadow we're going to do on the lid. Now with my Morphe, y'all, the number is not even on here. Let me see if I can find another brush. It honestly doesn't really matter. You can use any flat brush. This one has a number on it, so I'll just use this one. With the Morphe M124 brush, I'm just going to take this really pretty, you guys, bronzy gold. It's almost the same color as my sweater, and I'm just gonna place this all over the lid. So now with that same Sigma taper blending brush, it's the E40 brush, I'm going to go into a deeper chocolate shade, and I'm just going to place that on the outer corner of my eyes. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm just going to do my quick and easy wing liner before we get into this complexion, honey, okay? So now I'm finished with my wing liner. I'm just going to apply some mascara to my top lashes. And this is the Maybelline The Big Shot Colossal, or the Colossal Big Shot Mascara. This is a collaboration with Shayla. This is like my favorite mascara. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to my top lashes. And this is the jet black one, of course. So now for primer, I'm just going to go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys, this is the best primer I've ever used. Like, ever since I started using this primer, it has changed my life. Therefore, I'm going to keep using it, okay? So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. A little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot. And prime my face. So for foundation, I'm going to be taking my NYX Born to Glow foundation. This one is in the shade Nutmeg. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M439. So to contour, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Truffle. I'm just going to contour. And to blend it out, I'm just going to take this Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number on it. But it's just a little small blending brush, I guess, or powder brush, whatever. So for concealer today, I'm going to try this KatVonD Lock It, and this one's in the shade M19 Cool. I'm not sure if it's going to be too light or what, but if it is, I will just adjust it. To set my concealer, I'm just going to take my Patric Starr MAC powder. I'm just going to use some of that to set under my eyes. You just want to make sure that you blend out all the creases before you set them. So to set my contour, I'm just going to go in with this MAC brush, and this is the MAC 109 brush. I'm just going to take this MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW48. I'm just going to use that to set my contour. Now I'm just going to take this random fluffy brush and I'm just going to, you know, blend my contour with the rest of my face. Just blend it out a little bit. This brush has a little bit of bronzer on it, but I don't really want to do too much bronzing. I like to bronze a lot during the summer months, but during the fall I still like to look bronzy, but not, you know, super sun-kissed, just normal, you know. So yeah, I don't use bronzer. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is get some blush. Y'all get tongue-tied all the time. I think I'm gonna use this one out of this E.L.F palette. Oh, wrong palette. This E.L.F palette is called the Matte Blush Duos. In the shade Rosy Flush, and this is what it looks like in the inside. I think you guys can kind of see the color a little bit better when I hold it like that, so I'm just going to use this shade on my cheeks because I don't really want to use orange. I feel like, you know, anytime I use like a shade like this is during like the summer months. So I'm going to use this shade. It's a little bit more, you know, toned down. Very fall appropriate. You don't need a lot of blush, just, you know, just a little bit. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to go back into that first chocolatey brown shade that we used in the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line. So for my waterline, I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Gold 612, and I'm just going to apply some of this in the water. So now I'm just going to apply my Makaya Troix lashes in the shade, oh yeah, I said the shade, in the style She's 21. I'm no longer 21, I'm 22 now, but yeah. In the style She's 21, and I'm gonna and then I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lash line, and I will be lower lashes, you guys, lower lashes. What is wrong with me? I'm gonna apply my lashes and put some mascara on my lower lashes, and I'll be right back. So to finish up the eyes, I'm just gonna take the shade Glow Getter in the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero highlighter palette, and I'm just going to place that in the inner corner. And now we are complete with the eyes. And we can just get into the lip. So I'm thinking I want to do a chocolate colored lip, because I don't think I've ever done a chocolate colored lip on my channel, to be honest. So I think that'll be a really good color to do on the lips with this shade. So we're just gonna try it and see how it goes. So I changed my mind. I think I actually want to do this shade by Anastasia. and it's actually in the shade Vamp. Okay, what better way to start off this season than with a shade called Vamp? Okay, so I'm gonna see how this goes, and I'm just gonna be taking my Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Plum. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this lip liner in the shade Plum and just align my lips and then apply this, and I think the look will be pretty much complete. So you guys, at the last minute, I'm deciding that I want to put black liner in my waterline, because for some reason this gold is just not doing it for me. So hopefully this will make me feel better. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this. Okay, so I like the black eyeliner a lot better. Something about that gold was throwing me off. So I decided to just go ahead and switch it to black. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look. So yeah, I hope you guys really like it. I hope you guys are excited about fall like I am, and all the different looks, because I get really inspired during this time of the year. So be expecting a bunch of makeup tutorials. And yeah, all the deets on the makeup that I'm wearing today will be in the description box, as well as don't forget to follow your girl on Twitter and Instagram. That will also be in the description box. And last but certainly not least, don't forget to like this video, okay, and subscribe down below. Click that red button, click that bell that's next to it as well, so you don't miss out on any videos. And yeah, comment down below if you like this video, if you're excited about fall, what kind of looks you're planning on doing, because I'm super duper excited. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will of course see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.